Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful design of crochet short dress patterns. And as you can see in start, Kylie Jenner is also wearing the crochet short skirts, and these short dresses are very popular nowadays. And whether it's summer or in winter, you can wear it, and you can pair it with any type of contrast, and you will look so stylish and like trending in at the same time. Like these dresses are very trending in nowadays, and you can craft in any kind of style. And in this video I have presented some beautiful design with granny square, some flowery patterns, some simple patterns, some contrast, and like you can contrast and made it the way you want it to be. It's all up to you. And you guys can see that there are so many design in almost all colors, light color, dark colors, and contrasted with light and dark colors. Like it's all up to you how you want to create it and how you want to wear it. And these dresses and shirts are very popular, very trending nowadays, and at the same time they're very comfortable as compared to other material shirts like tops, dresses. And you can even wear it on formal way and casual way, the way you want it to be. Wear it, you can do it. You can pair it with jeans, with bikini, and you will look so cool, hot, and stylish. So I have one request for you guys. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite short dress pattern from this video that made with crochet. Plus crochet's material is very cost effective, like as compared to other materials. They are very like costly. So crochet dress is very economical, and everyone can afford it by made it at home. And you can even sell it to others if you are running a small business related to crochets. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet short dress pattern. Thank you.